Friends, welcome back to your YouTube channel on live server. So friends, today in this video I am going to tell you about the most suitable, most beneficial and most cheapest plan of Malaysia BPS server. So friends, if you visit our website and if you click on view all plans, then easily you will move to the Malaysia BPS page, and here you can see that all the plans of Malaysia BPS server. As you know that we are providing the 4 plans of Malaysia BPS. Then first is custom, second is plan X, plan Y, and last that's the plan G. Friend, the starting cost of this plan, that's only $20 per month. It means this is the cheapest cost if you want to purchase the high performance servers, and this is the best option for your business. So friend, the cost of the first plan, that's a custom, and the cost of this plan, that's only $20 per month. And in this plan you will get 1 core, 1 GB RAM, 30 GB SSD storage and unlimited bandwidth. And the second plan, plan X, the cost of this plan is same, that's $20 per month. And in this plan you will get 1 core, 1 GB RAM, 30 GB hard disk and 1 TB bandwidth, and the cost of this is the $20 per month. Third plan, plan Y, the cost of this plan, that's only $37 per month. And in this plan you will get 2 core, 2 GB RAM and 60 GB hard disk and 2 TB bandwidth. And the fourth and last plan, that's a plan Z, the cost of this plan, that's only $71 per month. And in this plan you will get a 4 core, 4 GB RAM and 120 GB hard disk and 4 TB bandwidth, and the same cheapest cost $71 per month. So friends, if you want to purchase this plan, please visit our website www.onliveserver.com and view and go to the Malaysia BPS server and view all plans. So friends, if you want to purchase this plan, please visit our website and purchase this plan. So friends, if you are new on this YouTube channel on live server, so please like this video, subscribe this channel, or don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you friends, thanks a lot.